On in this video, we will be learning the subject Advanced Manufacturing System, and the very first unit is Introduction to Lean Manufacturing. The first title is Traditional versus Lean Manufacturing. Uh, what do you mean by traditional manufacturing? In traditional manufacturing, uh, everything will be manual. All the process will be totally manual. People will be helping, or laborers will be there. The engineers and the technicians will be using papers and pencils to draw the designs, and the designs will be sent to the manufacturing team. Those manufacturing team, with the help of semi-automated machines, or with the help of manual men who operate the machines, and with the help of these types of process, they will be manufacturing the products, which takes a very long time. Sometimes errors will occur. It will not be efficient. So these are the drawbacks of traditional manufacturing. So if we go with the lean manufacturing, then machines will be there completely. Those machines will be either work based on the programs, or based on the instructions from the computers. They will be connected with the computers. And if they want millions of products or thousands of products within a day, it can be developed. Sometimes uh, complete kind of automatic industries are there. Semi-automatic industries are also there. So Indian manufacturing is a very advanced one compared to traditional manufacturing. So we use advanced technologies in lean manufacturing. So as I told already, high productivity is possible while in lean manufacturing. Quality, accuracy will be there. So if I want to make any small modifications in the design after developing one product, if I want to develop a similar product with this slight modifications, means I can reprogram in lean manufacturing. I can make small modifications in the program which controls the machine, and I can design or develop another similar type of design. So that is flexibility in the lean manufacturing. So I can use automatic guided vehicles. Automatic guided vehicles are used for uh, carrying products, semi-finished products or goods from one place to another place. CNC machines could also be used in lean manufacturing. Sensors could also be used. Computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing, integration could also be used. So that is what we have. So much of limitations in traditional manufacturing. Efficiency is low. Employee involvement is more. So productivity cannot be there completely. Customer satisfaction may not be there. Long-term sustainability cannot be there. Right? Productivity cannot be there. And even if the product is developed, after the development of the product, inspection has to be carried out when it is done by men. And so these are the drawbacks in traditional manufacturing. So advanced manufacturing system subject is like a modern production system which involves automation. Automation in the sense it may have some sensors, robots, computers, and that information technologies will also be there. So sometimes I want customized products. Mild modifications can be there in can be made in the design. So in lean manufacturing, if I want to get feedback from the output side, that kind of feedback would also be received. So so if I want to reduce the time, reduce the wastage of products, increase more efficiency. So these are the empathy which leads to these types of systems, advanced manufacturing systems. So here we have the comparison between traditional manufacturing and lean manufacturing. So this is the mind map. Mass production is possible, but not with high efficiency, which is important. Large queues could also be done. So these are the industrial applications for traditional manufacturing and leaf manufacturing. So this is one of the objective question which I have framed for you. Which of the following is a key difference between traditional manufacturing and lean manufacturing? So I have given the options. If you know the answer, comment me below. So these are the reference websites which I have followed for making this presentation. And also these are the references for the unit 1 in advanced manufacturing system lesson. So if you like the video, thanks for watching. I hope you would have learned from the video. Well, thank you.